Welcome to Build and Explain Part 2. Today I'm showing you how useState works with a simple countdown app. So in React, useState lets you to store and update value inside a component like a variable that renders the UI when it changes. So right here we have the variable count, set count, useState is 0, and the count here is our current value, and set count, which is this one, is the function we use to update it. So each button that is here, both the add and minus, as you can see on the screen, each add and minus, let me show you. Let me click the add. You will see that nothing will work now. You see nothing is happening. I click the both add minus, nothing is happening. So here it is useState that will do the work, that will allow it to change, just like what I said earlier, that it is the set count that we use to update it. Each button right here, both the addition and the minus, they changes value by calling the function set count, and when you click them, React update the screen with the new count. Let me show you. I'm going to write a simple on click function now to call the set count, and I'm going to use it and work it out. Just take a look at the screen and follow me. Good. So this is the simple function. On click set count plus 1. You know, right now the count is 0. Our count is 0. 0 plus 1. If I click this add button, it will change to 1. Let me click it now. 1. Another 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. This is the second button, which is subtract. If I click this subtract, because I put it there that set count minus 1 minus 1 to remove 1 from the count. So right now the count is no more 0, the count is now 10. Let me click the minus now. You see, take a look at it. Yes, you can see and look at it. If I change it to 2, let me change it to 2 now. It will be 2. If I click the add now, it will be 2. See, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that. So, and that's just it. That's how useState works in React. It's very simple and powerful. Catch you and see you in the next one. Build and explain continues. Bye.